guys, so it's Andrea again, and today I have got another baking video for you guys, and we're going to be making like this, I don't actually know the name, it's just like this pancake slash cookie thing with Nutella, and like it's really good. Well, it looks really good. Don't know, it's my first time trying it out, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. So without further ado, let's get on with this video. So guys, I've picked up this big bowl, and the first ingredient we are going to put in is 300 grams of plain flour. So just put that in, okie dokie. Okay, then the next ingredient is 100 grams of sugar. So here you are, just pour that. Our next ingredient is 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So, there you are. Right, so 1 teaspoon, so yeah. And then we add our wet ingredients. You need 100 milliliters of milk. Okay, and then you need 1 egg. Right then, so now you're going to mix it all together. I'm using a spatula, you can use a wooden spoon or whatever you've got at home. So just mix that really well until it's like a doughy type thing. So now guys, after you've got your dough ready, you just place some flour on your table or whatever you've got, and you just knead your dough. Then you are going to need a rolling pin, and then you just roll it out so then it's nice and flat, but not too flat obviously, because you don't want that. Just want it thin and kind of flat. Okay guys, so after you've rolled your dough, you will need a cup with a wide surface, or you can do small surface. You're just going to cut round shapes on your dough. And then you can do as many as you want, as many as your dough can do. So guys, what you're going to do after you've cut your shapes, you just need to put one out, and then you grab a teaspoon of Nutella, or how much you want, and then with another spoon you just scrape it off and you spread it round kind of like this, and then you put another circle on top like that, and you've got your little sandwich cookie thing made. Now you just keep making these. So guys, now I'm on my last cookie. And they are done. So as you can see, I've got 6 cookies. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask for help for this, and you guys should do the same thing too if you need some. I'm going to now ask my mum for help so she can help me fry them so that they look like a golden crispy pancake. And then once that's done, I will show you what they look like. So guys, as you can see, this is what mine turned out to be, and they look pretty good. I can't wait to try them. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment down below what yours turned out like. Are they good? Are they bad? And tell me what you named it, because I still need to think of a name for mine. So yeah, but please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell. So yeah guys, thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye!